Kalimera and good morning and welcome to Hikes and Flights. Today, me and Nikki, we're going to try our biggest adventure yet here on Kefalonia. We're going to walk up the tallest mountain on the island, Mount Ainos. Come on! Well, here we are. As you can see, we did most of the difficult bit in the car. Now we're going to finish the walk on foot. There's a surprisingly large amount of people up here, but as I say, we usually come here to Kefalonia in May or October. Let's go. As you can see, I've got my bag with me today, my backpack, and that's a deliberate choice today. After we nearly ran out of water at Assos, I figured I'd rather carry the backpack and have enough resources. We've also got some extra shirts in the back, just in case it gets a bit nippy at the top. We're going to go off to the right here slightly where there's a viewing area, and then we'll get back to the route. Zakynthos, often misnamed as Zante, which is the capital city of the island. I think that might be the airport runway you can just about see. Don't know if you can hear them, but there's the ever-present sound of goat bells. It's very shady here, it's really nice. Borderline a little chilly. Down below us you can see Sami and the mountains of the island. In the distance is Ithaca. I'm sure the camera won't be capturing the majesty of seeing this with your own eye. Rather counterintuitively, we're going down to go up. You may have noticed I'm wearing socks today. I've got a wound on my ankle, and when we were at Assos, the sweat made the plaster that I used to cover it up come off. So I've used extra plasters today, and I've put on a pair of socks in the hopes that it'll all hold into place, because the strap on the back of the sandal rubs right in the wound. It may even have caused it in the first place. We're not entirely sure where I got it from, but it happened a while back in the Peloponnese. Time for a rest already. Goats. Loads of goats. We've spotted the summit. Not far now. We're out of the tree line, as you can see. It's the runway. I'd spotted a few before, but there's some nice handy red arrows here to help you find the way. Zakynthos again. Judging by those red arrows, we've got quite a steep climb coming up to get to the very summit. I've never tried this before, but I think I'm going to strap my GoPro to my backpack for this last bit so I can film it but stay safe. Right, hopefully this is filming. Jimmy, help me. I sure hope the GoPro's capturing all this. One thing that's always worrying about these adventures for me is the kind of work that I do means if I hurt myself and I don't work, I don't get paid. So excuse me if I'm being a little slow and cautious. I think we're probably past the worst of it now. No. Okay.
How do we start over there?
There's the radio mast where we started.